Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen, we are going to make our South Indian favorite snack, Ulundu Vada. Let us see the ingredients. 1 cup of black ground dal. Here we are having 1 cup of finely chopped onions, 3 finely chopped green chilies, some curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of black pepper and salt for taste. First we need to soak the black gram dal, so that I am going to wash the dal for 4 to 5 times and soak it with water for 2 hours. 2 hours over. Now the dal soaked with water very well. Transfer this into a mixie jar and grind it as a very smooth paste. Now our smooth and fluffy vada batter is ready. See the texture. I used a very little bit of water to grind this. It should not stick on your wet hand and it should be float on the water. This is the right consistency of the vada batter. Now transfer the batter into a mixing bowl. It's very thick and fluffy. Into this I am going to add 1 finely chopped onions, 3 finely chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, some salt and some finely chopped curry leaves. Mix all together. That's all, our vada batter is ready. Meanwhile, we can heat some oil. I used half a liter of sunflower oil. While working with the vada batter, always wet your hand, otherwise it will stick into your hand. Just have a small ball and just flat it and put a small hole, that's all. Add this into your hot oil. While adding the vadas, put the flame in medium and add all the vadas. Always cook with a medium flame. If you cook with a low flame, it will absorb more oil. Let it be cooked for 2 minutes. Now I am going to turn the vadas one by one. Let the other side also be cooked for 2 minutes. Now both the sides cooked very well. You can see a nice golden brown color. So this is the right stage to take the vadas out. Drain all the oil and keep it in a plate. The same procedure we can start to make rest of the vadas too. Black gram dal is rich in iron, protein, folic acid and rich in fiber content. Ulundu vada is also good for our health. It helps to build immunity and prevent us from anemia. Now our crispy and golden brown Ulundu vada is ready to serve. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. Now I am going to show you how crispy it is. Wow, very crispy and looking awesome. It's cooked inside also very well. Now I'm going to taste it with the coconut chutney. Awesome taste. Really awesome. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.